Hello and welcome to Latvia. Bonjour, or whatever the Latvian word for hello is. I mean, I could have Googled it beforehand, but I just chose not to do that. So, yes, we're here in Latvia, and just for your entertainment, we're returning to our home, which lies in the south of Europe. Somewhere in the south. So we're now in Latvia and we're going to the southernmost, we're returning to the southernmost Baltic state, and it's really funny considering that this road looks really similar to the road that we chose the last time. Coincidence? I don't think so. Or maybe, I don't know. So even this looks pretty similar. I mean it's the former Soviet stuff. So on the right side we have an old border house that some years ago they like stopped people and checked everything, or I don't even know, I've never been here before I've actually been here, you know. So yes, there's the Latvian flag. Or are we in Austria? I don't know. It looks, are we in Austria? No? I don't know. Okay, so there's a truck, he's coming from Lithuania and he's going to Latvia, obviously. And we are going to Lithuania, and there's a sign stating exactly that. Here we have the border. You see those funny two posts with the Lithuanian flag on them? Lietuvos Respublika. Sveiki. Sveiki? Sveiki. I don't know. Tell me if that's correct in the comment section below. Sveiki. Sveiki. Let me try some different variations. Maybe one of them nails it or something. I don't know. And there we are. We are here in Lithuania. Lithuania is a really cool country considering that you can charge your electric car for free at many places, which is really, really cool. Okay then. There we have this funny sign, and the funny sign says something like, I didn't read it. I have to admit that I didn't read it. But as you can see, there are some really big Lithuanian cities in the south, like Joniškis or something, that actually sounds pretty Greek. So maybe we're in Greece? I mean, really confusing video actually. Like, there's a lot of Austrian stuff and Greek stuff here. So, whatever. Lithuania. Sveiki. And take care of like speed limit cameras and stuff. Goodbye.